subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG is reportedly working on its upcoming phone under K series called LG K92 with 5G support. Recently, the renders of the upcoming LG K92 has surfaced online by a popular leakster Evan Blas through a blogging platform called Voice. According to leak renders, the LG K92 5G will support a flat screen with a hole punch at the top center for selfie camera, and it has a thin bezel on all the sides. The rear panel of the phone is seen to feature a unique quad camera setup at the top left corner in a square shape, and it also has quad LED flash located at the top right corner in a square module. The quad rear cameras are highlighted to include a 64 megapixel primary camera. The volume rockers along with the dedicated Google Assistant button is present on the left edge, while the power button is located on the right edge that is equipped by an fingerprint sensor. The bottom of the phone is visible to have a speaker grill, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. Additionally, the leak renders also suggest that the phone might be sold by a Cricket Wireless in the US. And apart from this, there is no other details of LG K92 5G has leaked so far. So, as of now, that's all we know about the LG K92 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.